just pretend. You watch my videos. Just pretend like. All right, ready?
Go. Start early. What up, YouTube? I'm Smay. Today we're gonna be talking about finance. As always, Titi, what are we doing? What you doing? What you doing?
What's up, guys? My name's Titi. Welcome to my channel. So we're gonna talk about
what are you doing?
how to make side hustles, bro.
Why are you in my video?
I thought this was my channel.
No, this is my channel. That's my. You're the go back.
Okay.
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing 10. Is it 10? Right? 10.
Right.
10. We're gonna be doing 10 different side hustles that you can do to make money when you're
a teenager.
A teenager or preteen.
Okay, so you're a teenager. You're 13, maybe 12, maybe 9. If you're 9, if you're like 10, 11, 12, 13, you want to make money, you're in the right place.
All right.
The first one that you guys need to do is chores. Learn how to do chores. Go wash some laundry for money. I literally washed my brother's laundry when I was like 12 for like $5. The job was not.
That was not worth it. Like,
I wouldn't do it for $100 today, bro. You gotta do what you gotta do to save us some money.
Get that extra cash.
As long as you can.
As long as you can. Yeah.
I mean, it's never too late to start either. I don't care if you're 18. I don't care if you're 40. Get to them laundry. Get to them laundries. Other examples of chores is like
what up?
babysitting, babysit.
He did
dog sit.
Babysit, dog sit. My mom paid me $20 every weekend for mowing the lawn. It was love. I didn't get like much, but yeah, $20 was a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
In middle school, that was a lot.
That's a lot of money. That's like 20 burgers.
I did grocery shopping.
Okay.
My mom hated grocery shopping, so I did most of that for her.
And small jobs. Right. So examples to wrap it all up is gonna be like you have to learn how to bargain for your jobs. So go to them. Don't wait for them to come to you. If you want to make the money, you gotta go to them. You gotta go to your brother, your mom, your dad. Be like, can I do this for like $2? Maybe not $2, but like, maybe like $5 or $10, and then save it. Learn compound interest and make more money later. Save your money so you can make more money later. That's why the rich get richer.
Yes.
Cue the book. Zoom in. Think rich, grow rich. Number 2, sell/trade collectibles. I should probably talk about this one.
You should talk about that.
Alright, so like when I was in middle school, I used to like playing Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh so that I would collect a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh cards and I would sell it. Literally, one card could be like $5, $10, or like $2. It don't matter because like if you have a lot of cards, you can sell them and it adds up. I used to hustle them nerds at the lunch table. I was one of them, but like I used to hustle. Like I used to be like, yo, bro, check, like ultra rare, shiny, secret rare. I used to sell everything. If you're a little older, maybe like in high school, shoes. Do shoes. Go find some friends or look up on YouTube how to flip shoes. And then you wait for the day it comes out, you go buy it, you download StockX, I'm gonna boop, StockX, and then you look up the market price and you resell it for like $20, $10, maybe like, sometimes like $200. I mean like, this pair right here, one time was like $700 profit. Alright, number 3 is gonna be tutoring and services you can do for people for money.
I think this is like a topic people just like kind of go over, but it's crazy. Like if you're smart, use it.
Right,
use it. We have a friend, his name is Justice. He did $5 college application for scholarship. $5.
Basically,
like, what?
Do what you're good at. If you're smart, help people, tutor people, do their college applications. Honestly, if you write somebody's essay for them, I don't care what they say in the movies. I don't care what they say in the movies,
Right.
But that one was a good hustle. If you get $5 for an essay or $10 or $20, that's worth it. And then if you're good at taking pictures, if you like taking pictures already, do people's pictures. Now a lot of these are gonna be like things that you have to do after quarantine ends because you have to talk to people. You have to breathe in their face. But anyway, the next one, number 4.
Put it right here somewhere.
Yeah, I'll put it. Boop, boop. Number 4. Live streaming or YouTube. Since you're stuck at home, make a YouTube channel. And then if you like playing games, guess what? Stream that joint. Put people on your pentakills.
Yeah. Honestly, you don't even need to be good. Like,
dude, I suck at League of Legends.
I don't suck.
Streaming League of Legends. If you're level like one of those level 300 people, don't be
I
ashamed.
want to see you play.
Don't be. I want to see you play.
I suck. I want to see you
Play. If you're good at Call of Duty, play. Number 5, flipping and wholesale. Now I'm not talking about you adults that are flipping houses. I'm talking about the teenagers who have like $10 in their bank account.
Yo, honestly, you don't need money to do that. Like, it's kind of like drop shipping or wholesaling, if you know what that is. Like, you find a product on a certain website, maybe like OfferUp, right? And you see like on a really good deal. You don't buy the product. You post the product on another website. I don't know, maybe like what website do you use now?
Instagram,
Facebook, whatever it is. Really, you post it for like a higher price, and if if someone buys the price, then you go to the person and you buy that price at the same price, just to make sure that you can like kind of trust it.
Yeah,
and
don't get
everything's
wrong.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. I bought a pair of shoes off of OfferUp for like $60 when they're worth like $130. I low-key could sell it today for $130, but I'm not because I wear them. Number 6, a job.
A job. That's probably the best one. Like,
I mean, I know a lot of people can't get a job. Yeah. That's why people have told me like, what's some side hustles? Side hustles could technically be a part-time job. Jobs in general, get a job and then build your way up to bigger jobs.
Save your money. I cannot stress you this. Like, it's why are you working if you're not saving? Like, there's just work and save. You know what I mean?
Like food.
No, it's not even just that, bro. People work just to spend. That's like they work to spend. It's crazy. It's
They need to get one of these. They need to get one of these. A Supreme. You know.
Set goals. Save it. Can we talk about Zyro for a second?
It's on pause. It's on pause. We just paused our clothing brand today. The next one is gonna be number 7. It's gonna be designing a t-shirt. So this is gonna be an example of why you need to save money. When you could save money from small jobs, like doing $5 jobs for your mom and dad, eventually, if you do 20 jobs, that's gonna be $100, right? So then now you have $100, you can now buy a heat presser to make t-shirts. Yeah. So now you can design t-shirts for people. Like make your own t-shirts and go sell them.
Make money to make money.
Yeah, that's an example of compound interest. What's a few more? Let's throw the list down and think of a few random like side hustles. Quick topic side hustles. Okay, I need to find.
If you're over 18, get into stocks.
My hat. Now. Oh yeah. Okay.
Why are we not talking about?
Let's talk about the for the older people. Since we were talking about for young people, let's talk about people who are like in high school and about to graduate and then in college. Like people who need money because you got a girlfriend to impress, you got prom to pay for, you got dinner dates to, you know, you gotta go out with your friends.
Or if you got rent to pay, just like that, just the actual stuff. Rent to pay,
shout out to Soo Young. But he had to pay rent. My guy moved out when he was 18, had to pay rent. You know, if you need to pay your rent, stay tuned. Click my link below to sign up for Webull to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,000. Now you don't have to do anything. You can put your money in, get some free stocks, and then that's like a free what, $10, $20 on average. And if you get lucky, like I've seen people get Apple stocks on YouTube, that's like $200 right there, free. And then if you do want to invest in stocks, actually use like a small amount of money and start trading, start investing. If you want to know more, watch my other videos.
It's not like a gambling addiction. Like
it's not gambling.
It's not. You make the right calls. You make the right. I don't know. You make the right trades. That's really it. And
what about you, bro? How's your week been?
It's been bad. No, I just got back up. I'm not. So I was down in a bad position. I was a really bad position. I had to hold it for a bit for it to come back up because it was like too much. But now I just got out before.
Okay, so how much did you lose?
I lost. I am 5 days. I'm technically up.
Up what?
I'm up $13, which
that's perfect.
Honestly, if you have $100, you start trading and you make $5 a day. $5 a day.
Mm-hmm.
That's $100. That's with a $100 cap.
Yeah.
If you do that with 1,000, that's $50.
Okay.
If you do that with 10,000, that's $500 a day.
Right.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. But you have to stay consistent. It is like a process too. You have to actually learn, know your graph.
Mm-hmm. Let's move on because I feel bad for people who don't want to do stocks. Let's think of a few more.
Side hustles.
Side hustles. Let's review this. See if we can go over something.
Honestly, get a job, bro. Get a job. I got my first legit job after I got my first job, which was not really a job.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I wasn't making consistent money, but like I was getting good tips.
Something.
It was something. It was good. That was actually pretty good money for me. It's like $80 a day, $70 a day. At the time, that was good money to me.
What you mean? That's still good.
But yeah,
That's still a lot.
I know, but like yeah, I was making that like every day, and I got that first job. I learned customer service. I made tips, and then after that, I got my first restaurant job. And that from there, I just went from there.
Wait, they don't know who you are. Tell them who you are to end the video.
We're ending the video?
Well, yeah. You gonna see how long it is when I edit it.
Sure. Alright. I'm Titty. You can follow me on Instagram, Titty. Showa.
I'll put it up.
Put it right here. Yep. I was stuck in Cambodia for like a year. I did some modeling, some acting.
Wait. Tell them before Cambodia and then go into Cambodia.
Oh, before Cambodia? Before Cambodia. What did I do before Cambodia?
We were high school.
Oh yeah, I was in high school.
We was all regular high school kids.
I wasn't smart. I don't think you wasn't either. You still isn't like academically. No.
During this quarantine, I don't even know if I'm getting my high school diploma. It might be a PDF.
I'm not saying don't go to school. School is important. It is. It's very good. I'm not a firm like believer in college, but I'm still in college. I'm playing it safe.
Maybe the best side hustle is learning. Like the thing is, like people want a job like right now to make money right now and then spend it right now. You know what I'm saying? But like when you invest in learning, well, you will always know what you learned. You can use it in the future. If you learned how to bargain with someone, you can use it today. You can use it tomorrow. You can learn.
You sound like you're selling a course, bro.
But I'm gonna sell a course one day. No, I'm joking.
I don't do those. We don't.
Yeah, I don't got time for that.
I don't think I'll ever sell a course. Like, there's really no. Yeah, don't buy courses, guys. Don't.
Yeah.
You can learn everything on your own, and
I'm in on a lot of courses though. I spent money.
But no, there's courses where you get in to connect with people. Yeah. And there's courses where you get into like learn stuff that you can actually learn on your own, and it's just like they're basically scam. This
is what I've learned. When you have a one job, you work to earn and not to learn. You earn that money today, but you will never. You can use it all today. And what are you gonna do now? When you work to learn, you can like earn money while also learning skills to make you more money in the future. An example would be like interning for like agencies, marketing agencies, real estate agents, mentorships. If you want to get rich, or if you're young and you want to be successful in the future, find yourself a mentor, someone that knows a lot more than you, failed a lot more than you, so you don't do it.
Surround yourself with the people with the right mindset, if that makes sense. Like surround yourself with the people where they know where they're going, you know where they're going, they can motivate you. There's like challenges. I don't know. It's like it's a weird like sense, but like if you're around the people with the right mindset, you're gonna be in the right mindset.
Another side hustle: make better friends.
Make better friends.
All right, here's one side hustle that will pay off. Go find friends that are making money already, and don't be afraid to go up to them and be like, "Hey, bro, let's."
How'd you do it?
Show them what you can offer them, and then they'll show you what they can offer you.
And don't waste their time, please. Don't waste their time. Like, don't.
I wasted a few people.
I know. Like, I hate it when people goes to you saying they want this and that, but they're not even doing anything to get this and that. If you have a job, save it. Save your money, please. I'm not trying to throw Sue under the bus here, but like,
Sue can't save money for his life. I'll throw his picture up. Go at him, yo. This is his picture right here.
This man was making bank.
I love.
He had his W-2, and then he saw how much he was making. But then he looked at his he checked his bank account, but it wasn't there. Like, save your money.
Nah, I'm joking. Sue,
I'm not joking.
Sue's coming up.
He's coming up. Yeah,
he's coming up.
He's doing way better than me right now.
Hey, people change. All right, this is gonna be a long video edit. Wait.
Anyway, my name is Titty. I went to Northeast. I don't have a go-to, but like I have a goal. I have a mindset. I like to think I have the right mindset. I just came back from Cambodia. Cambodia was fun. I did some acting, modeling, whatever.
He got a lot of.
I have a girlfriend.
I'm gonna beat that out.
But yeah, that's that, and
I'm gonna throw up your Instagram so they can follow you.
Yeah.
And then hopefully you make a YouTube channel one day.
I am gonna make a YouTube channel.
Period poo. Let me go!